Rocket Unlock Your Potential. Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) Graduate Trainee Programme 2026-2028. Bank Zimbabwe. Are you a high-achieving graduate looking to shape the future of central banking in Zimbabwe? The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) is inviting applications for its prestigious 2-year graduate trainee program. This is a premier opportunity designed to mold the next generation of financial and technical experts through structured mentorship and hands-on experience across the bank's most vital departments. Are you the right fit? RBZ is looking for first-class, 1-degree holders in a wide variety of disciplines. Whether your background is in finance, tech, law, or even the arts, there is a seat at the table for you. Fields of study include finance and economics, finance, accounting, banking, and financial intelligence. STEM and analytics, statistics, mathematics, data analytics, and risk management. Technology, computer science, information systems, and software engineering. Social sciences and humanities, law, international relations, HR management, and psychology. Creative and media, communication, journalism, media studies, and graphic design. Technical trades, engineering, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, carpentry, and refrigeration. Support services, supply chain management, and library and information science. Key requirements. The bank is seeking candidates who possess recent graduation status, strong analytical and problem-solving abilities, excellent communication skills, written and verbal, high levels of integrity and professionalism, proficiency in computer applications. How to apply. Ready to launch your career at the heart of Zimbabwe's financial system. Prepare your application package. Application letter. Detailed curriculum vitae, CV. Certified copies of academic transcripts and certificates. Applications should be marked Graduate Trainee and addressed to the Director, Human Resources, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. Email submit via email to gtcareers@rbz.co.zw. Calendar application deadline, the 6th of January 2026. Don't miss your chance to join one of the most prestigious institutions in the country. Glowing star. #Hot Zimbabwe Jobs #RBZ Careers #Graduate Trainee 2026 #Central Banking #Zimbabwe Jobs #First Class Graduates #Career Opportunities ZW #Jobs Zimbabwe #Finance Jobs ZW #Tech Jobs Zimbabwe #HR Jobs ZW